All right, well, with so many people wondering when they're going to see another paycheck, we are working for you, finding out what answers might be out there and what you can do if you just can't afford to pay your bills right now.
2 Works News' Aaron Conrad explains your rights.
It's the first of the month, and that means rent is due, utilities, and other bills. But because of the current outbreak, the rules have now changed.
Not paying your bills is the cardinal sin of good finance. But in the new world of COVID-19, many people are finding themselves unable. With so many workers laid off, furloughed, or even taking large pay cuts, many are wondering how to pay their bills. A big question right now, can I be evicted? The simple answer is no. According to the Oklahoma Policy Institute, evictions across the state have been suspended, with an exception for emergencies. Most county courthouses are not hearing eviction cases right now, so experts say if you get a notice to vacate, wait and talk to your landlord.
But I think still, at the end of the day, the most important thing is to communicate with your property manager what your situation is, why you're not going to be able to afford rent. And I know in situations where it's involved something surrounding COVID-19, I know property managers that are in our association are committed to working with the residents and keeping them in their homes.
If you own your own home, experts recommend writing a letter to your lender explaining the financial hardship related to the pandemic and why you can't pay your mortgage. In fact, experts recommend contacting everyone from your credit card companies to your utilities and working out some kind of payment plan.
A lot of times you'll be able to be offered maybe a short-term reduction of your interest rate, maybe an extended payment deadline, maybe waived fees, or maybe they even will reduce the amount of that minimum payment that you make if they don't waive it altogether.
Many times, companies will be more understanding if you can at least offer partial payment. As for things like your electric bill, most companies will not shut off your service. Public Service Company of Oklahoma has announced it is temporarily suspending all service disconnections for non-payment. PSO tells us they're also offering payment plans and payment assistance. All you have to do is go to their website or give them a call.
The biggest piece of advice, communicate and make sure to get everything in writing. Most landlords and utilities will work with you during the COVID-19 outbreak. And if you think you need more information as a tenant here in Oklahoma, the City of Tulsa is hosting a webinar Friday, April 3rd to give you more information on what you can do. We've posted a link to that on our website, kjrh.com. Aaron Conrad, 2 Works for You.